This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 5th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A pleasant weekend ahead with mostly warm and dry conditions, but by the beginning of next week, the clouds on the increase and a chance of rain coming into the picture. So let's talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, 79 degrees was the high after a record warm low temperature of 56. And outside right now here at 6:45 a.m., we see a few clouds in the valley. 52 degrees to start the day at Sky Harbor, dew points at 32. Humidity 47%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, 40 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. Most of us are in the mid-40s to low 50s. Of course, these are temperatures that are above average. Water vapor satellite view continues to show ridging here across the southwest and some high clouds moving through from time to time. The big trough and huge storm system in the northeast now pulling away. And they are left with a lot of snow on the ground. They had 13.4 inches of snow in Boston yesterday, which set a daily record. They had around 10 to 12 inches across a wide swath of the Northeast from Connecticut up through Maine. And on the watch warning map this morning, they're still dealing with wind chill advisories and freeze warnings all the way down into parts of central Florida. It is mighty cold down there. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather, no thunderstorms anticipated across the country today, and rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. This is valid through next Friday morning. About a quarter to a half inch here in Phoenix and across much of Arizona. Of course, some of that will be coming down in the form of snow up north, and so we'll get into why that is. How promising this looks as we get out to the GFS right now. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 18,000 feet. We've got ridging here in the southwest and some high clouds down at the surface today. That's what we'll see, sort of a mix of sun and clouds. I think more sun than clouds, actually, with high temperatures this afternoon topping out in the mid and upper 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows mostly in the 40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, some increase in clouds, especially in northern Arizona, where they could even see an isolated shower or two as the system passes by the Four Corners. And again, will be partly cloudy, but certainly no rain down here. Highs tomorrow, mostly in the low and middle 70s. Should be in the low 70s on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. Monday, again, an increase in clouds as a trough really begins to sharpen up off the west coast. The GFS is moving this a little bit faster than previous runs. So we'll start to see maybe a slight chance of showers in northwest Arizona as early as Monday afternoon or Monday evening. But here in the valley, again, we'll just call it partly cloudy with highs in the low 70s. On Tuesday, the clouds will continue to increase, and we'll start to call for a chance of showers coming in here by late in the afternoon or certainly by Tuesday evening. This is, again, faster than previous runs. Now, the European shows a much wider window of opportunity for rain starting in about midday Tuesday and continuing through early Wednesday. But either way, most of the day Tuesday looks okay, and then we'll start to see those chances of showers coming in by Tuesday evening. At least that's how it appears right now, and that will continue through Wednesday morning. But by Wednesday afternoon, most of this is out of here for us, and we'll start to become partly sunny again, with high temperatures falling back into the low and mid 60s on Wednesday. Thursday, we should be in the mid and upper 60s with mostly sunny skies as ridging begins to build back in. And a week from today, Friday the 12th, and that looks warm and dry with temperatures climbing back into the low 70s, low to mid 70s on Saturday the 13th, mostly sunny and dry. Here's the end of the 10-day forecast period, Sunday the 14th, and that still looks mostly warm and dry with high temperatures likely above average, at least in the low and middle 70s. The ensemble data is actually printing out a high of 79 way out there by Sunday the 14th. Not sure it gets quite that warm. Let's hope not. Temperatures through the period coming off of the European ensemble, and it's got those high temperatures staying above average through the weekend and early next week. And then the big dip as the chances of rain come in here Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll start to warm it back up by Thursday and going forward. And that is going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Friday.